Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to deal with the chapter number 1, grade 10, that is chemical reactions and equations. Chapter 1, chemical reactions and equations. Consider the different situations of daily life. Think what happens when a milk is left. When milk is left at room temperature during the summers. And consider second example, an iron tawa placed in moisture or humid atmosphere. Grapes fermentation, how grapes get fermented. Food is cooked. Food gets digested in our body. Food gets digested in our body. And the respiration, how we respire. So these are the different daily life situations which are taking place. In all these situations, the nature and identity of the substance gets changed. We have already discussed that chemical and changes and physical changes takes place. When a chemical change occurs, we say a chemical reaction has occurred. When a chemical change occurs, what we say? We say a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction has taken place. So we can understand this by taking one activity. First take this is burner, and this is magnesium ribbon, okay, and this is watch glass. This is placed on the wooden. So in this activity, what we need? First we need a magnesium ribbon, and before using we will rub it with sandpaper. Then we need a pair of tongs to hold down the magnesium ribbon in place of magnesium ribbon and take it close to the burner. We need one burner also and one watch glass. Okay, so what do you observe and what activity you have to do when you will burn the magnesium ribbon in the presence of burner or in the in fire? After burning, the white powdery that you will get in the watch glass is, what is that? That is the chemical change occur. Here suppose you have burned this magnesium ribbon in presence of fire using the burner spirit lamp, and here after burning you collected the powder form after burning in the watch glass, and that is the magnesium oxide. What is that? That is magnesium oxide. So this collected magnesium oxide is the chemical change that has occurred. When how this chemical change occur? when magnesium burns in dazzling flame and then it further converts into a white powder, and this is due to the chemical reaction which took place between magnesium and oxygen. Chemical reaction which took place between magnesium and oxygen in the presence of air. So this is the chemical reaction which took place and then the formation of magnesium oxide. Hope the activity is clear. So this is the chemical reaction. Like this you can do a number of other activities and they will tell what the chemical change has occurred. So from the above activity or from some other activities, we can say that a chemical reaction will take place. When will a chemical reaction takes place? When there is change in state. जब state में change हो, change in color, रिएक्ट करने के बाद जो सब्सटेंस बने उसके अंदर क्या हो, चेंज इन कलर, कलर के अंदर चेंज हो, इवोल्यूशन ऑफ ए गैस, यदि कोई दो चीज़ों को हम मिक्स कर रहे हैं तो क्या हो रहा है, केमिकल रिएक्शन, तो उसमें क्या हो, इवोल्यूशन ऑफ गैस, कोई गैस निकले, चेंज इन टेम्परेचर, चेंज इन टेम्परेचर, कंसीडर मान लीजिए यदि हम पानी के अंदर कोई भी एसिड डालते हैं, सपोज वी आर एडिंग सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, तो क्या होगा, केमिकल रिएक्शन होगा, और चेंज इन टेम्परेचर तो क्या होगा, जार गर्म भी हो सकता है, एसिड डाला है तो रिएक्शन के कारण, तो चेंज इन स्टेट, चेंज इन कलर, इवोल्यूशन ऑफ गैस और चेंज इन टेम्परेचर, दीज आर द 4 थिंग्स, ये 4 तरह की चीजें हो सकती हैं जब क्या हो, एक केमिकल रिएक्शन टेक प्लेस हो रही हो, ठीक है। अब फर्दर हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर के अंदर क्या पढ़ेंगे, केमिकल इक्वेशन।